Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the display language or interface language in the DuckDuckGo browser in 2026 on a desktop computer or on laptop. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the DuckDuckGo web browser and let me, for instance, switch from English, which is, as you can see, the current interface language, to any other one. To do that, you will need to access your browser settings. So we will find these here in the top right corner by clicking into these three lines. At the bottom of that menu, you will see Settings. Click into it. Then you will be redirected to your browser settings here. Look for the Main Settings tab and for the Appearance and Language sub-tab. Click into it. Here under Appearance and Language, click into the drop-down menu below Language and choose the one you would like to go with. Now, as you can see, these are available, so let me switch to German. And after that, confirm by clicking into this button. DuckDuckGo will then be relaunched, and after that, the entire browser will be displayed in the selected display or interface language, including the menus, basically anything, the notifications. So I'm not going to do this. I would like to keep English, but that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.